Watch as we take this nasty cast iron from this to this. Let's get it started. Not sure you can see this, but I want you to see how pitted this is. See that texture? I think the wire brush isn't going to be enough, so I'm going to go a little bit more aggressive to get this to be smooth like that. To get this thing back to a really smooth surface. It took a lot of work though, to be honest with you, but in the end I'm the one that ruined this thing, so I feel like it's something I need to do to bring it back to feel good about working with this piece, and it will definitely teach me a lesson to treat this thing better in the future. In the end, starting less aggressive was with the brush, and then got more aggressive with this paint scraper attachment. Your cordless drill, your battery might just get tapped out pretty quickly, so you'll be exchanging batteries quite a bit. And if you need to move to a more aggressive drill, this is my hammer drill that you can set on just drill setting, not hammer setting. And this can give you more revolutions, so it can work more quickly. So I jumped to that also when I needed to. Super smooth. Got the back. Now let's finesse this surface a little bit, a little smoother, a little polishing, and then we're gonna bring it back with some seasoning. So with that first layer of seasoning on this cast iron, we're gonna bake it and try to get that penetrated a little further before we season any further. So with a lot of elbow grease, I was able to take this guy, ready for the trash heap really, and convert it into something I can be super proud of. Whether I'm gonna smash burgers on it, sear some steaks on it, sear some burnt ends, choose wisely. It's worth the effort.